I'm Leslie and we are back with the Credit Agents Talk Show. Today we're going to be talking about, does having a high credit score matter when applying for a home loan? Some people believe that you have to have a perfect credit score in order to buy a house. People have been told this by their banking institutions that have super high lending requirements. Now, other people believe you only need a 580 and the mortgage lender will approve you with 0 down and 100% financing. Both of these are partially true. Today, we're gonna unpack how having a 580 credit score versus a 720 will affect you when purchasing and getting into a new home. Most lenders require between a 580 and a 620 for FHA, VA, and USDA loans. Now, they're gonna be looking at the FICO mortgage scores. Now, your middle score of all three bureaus is going to be your determining score. But does it really matter how high your credit score is? Yes, absolutely it does. According to my FICO chart, this report shows the average interest rates on the homes that people purchased in November of 2020. If you had a credit score between 620 and 639, they received an average rate of 3.9 interest on their house. If your credit score was between 660 and 679, on average, you received a 2.9% rate on your house. Now, if your credit score is between 700 and 759, on average, you received a 2.5% interest rate on your home. Now, if your score was above 760, on average, the rate is 2.3. This is why we say a credit score of 760 is the best score of all. Now let's talk about the difference between having a 620 credit score and a 720 credit score when buying a $220,000 house. Over the course of the loan, it would save you about $60,000 if your credit score was at a 720. So I just want to encourage you and say it's okay to buy a house if your credit score is at a 620, but seriously consider refinancing in a year or two. Definitely build a relationship with a loan officer so they know in a year or two you're going to want to refinance your home. Down payment assistance is going to be the same no matter what mortgage product you use. If your score is less than 640, this may be something you want to consider. If you want to get connected to a mortgage loan officer that offers down payment assistance, send us a message. That's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and comment, and I'll see you next time.